Single versus double quotes in Json. My code. Number 1 definition is wrong. Number 2 definition is right. I heard that in Python that single and double quote can be interchangeable. Can anyone explain this to me?
JSON syntax is not Python syntax. JSON requires double quotes for its strings.
You can dump JSON with double quotes by.
You can use as.literal_eval.
Json is also a good package to solve the problem of bad JSON syntax. Usage. Edit. Json.decode is a great tool for damaged JSON, but when you are dealing with big amount of JSON data, ast.literal_eval is a better match and much faster.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.